Money can feel confusing, but the way it moves in the market is actually very simple once you see the full picture. At its core, money flows in a loop. It moves from people to businesses to workers, and then back to people again. Everything starts with people. People earn money by working jobs or running businesses. This money usually comes from companies, governments, or customers. Once people have money, they use it to buy things they need or want. When you buy something, your money doesn't disappear. It moves. If you buy food, clothes, a phone, or a game, that money goes to a business. That business then uses the money to pay workers, buy materials, pay rent, and keep the business running. The workers who get paid then use their money to buy things again. That's the basic flow. This loop is called the economy. Now let's talk about what happens inside the market. The market is just a place where buying and selling happens. It can be a physical place, like a shop, or a digital place, like a website or a stock market. Whenever money changes hands, the market is involved. Businesses play a huge role in this flow. They take money from customers and turn it into products or services. But they don't keep all the money. Most of it goes right back out to employees, suppliers, and other businesses. This is why businesses are so important. They act like pumps, moving money through the economy. Now here's where banks come in. Banks collect money from people who save. When you put money into a bank, the bank doesn't just store it in a vault. It lends most of that money to other people and businesses. Those loans are used to buy homes, start businesses, or invest in equipment. That means saved money is still moving. It's just moving in a different way. Governments also affect how money flows. They collect money through taxes and then spend it on things like schools, roads, hospitals, and public services. When the government spends money, it goes to companies and workers who then spend it again. So even tax money doesn't stop moving. It just takes a longer path. Now let's talk about investing. When people invest, they don't just spend money, they send it somewhere to grow. Buying stocks, for example, means giving money to a company in exchange for ownership. The company uses that money to expand, hire, or improve products. If the company does well, the investor gets more money later. This is how money flows from regular people into big businesses and back again. One important rule of money flow is this: money always moves toward value. If something is useful, popular, or profitable, money flows into it. If something stops being valuable, money flows out of it. That's why trends rise and fall, businesses grow or fail, and markets change over time. Another key idea is speed. When people are confident, they spend money faster. Businesses grow, jobs increase, and money flows quickly. When people are scared or uncertain, they stop spending. Money slows down, businesses struggle, and the market feels weak. This is why emotions matter so much in markets. Finally, here's the most important thing to understand. Money itself isn't powerful. Movement is. People who understand how money flows don't try to hoard it. They learn how to position themselves where money is already moving. That could be through skills, businesses, or smart investing. Once you understand the flow, money stops feeling mysterious. It becomes something you can observe, understand, and eventually use wisely.